Welcome to Epic Bakes Halloween Special, Part 1. I'll show you how to make some nice and easy Halloween treats, which will be a great addition to any Halloween party. In this video, I will show you how to make Oreo cookie cake pops, Malteser spider chocolate lollies, and some spooky meringue ghosts. Let's start with the Oreo cookie pops. Here I used some candy melts to dip my cookies in. When using these, make sure you have some vegetable shortening handy to add to your candy melts to get better dipping consistency. Don't worry if your cookie pops stick to the paper, use some Halloween sprinkles to cover it up. And finally, use some dark candy melts to decorate your Oreo cookie pops with spooky Halloween faces. And now onto chocolate lollies. You will need a special mold for these, and you can get them easily online and reuse them for all sorts of chocolate lollies. Keep an eye on my channel for some ideas coming soon. For these, start with melting your favorite chocolate. I'm using Hershey's Cookies and Cream one for this extra crunch and texture. Then I'm adding some plain white chocolate to create blank background for my design. To complete my lollies, I used more candy melts, some Maltesers and mini cookies to make spiders, and you can never have too much sprinkles. Leave your lollies to set. To speed it up, you can pop them in the fridge. Once ready, gently push them out of the mold and finish off with some spider legs and eyes. also used some Halloween colored ribbons to add some more detail to my pops. Here's another option for you to make some spooky Oreo cookie pops. All you need is some white chocolate covered Oreos and black edible icing pen. This option is perfect if you want a quick, easy and effective treat to spook up your Halloween party table. Last but not least, in this part of my Halloween special, some spooky ghost meringues. For my meringue recipe, check out my meringue video. These are very simple. All you need is a piping bag. You can just cut off the end and you don't need to use any nozzles. When they're done, use edible icing pen to add some ghostly faces. That's the end of part 1. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my Halloween special part 2, in which I will show you some Halloween spooky cookies ideas.